Thank you. I am excited to be here this morning. I want to congratulate the County College of Morris, the Freeholder Board, and the entire CCM community today on the groundbreaking of this Advanced Manufacturing and Engineering Center. I have always been a strong supporter of the community college system, where students can find a demanding curriculum that focuses on our ever-changing economy and world. And they can leave those facilities without a mountain of debt, having earned a great education. And that's something that I think we need to be proud of, and we need to continue to stress. And the County College of Morris has always led the way in this area with innovative programs to make sure that their students receive the skill sets that they needed to succeed. And today's groundbreaking of this facility is a great example of that. I have the honor and the privilege of serving on the legislature's Manufacturing Caucus. It's a bipartisan caucus. John Kennedy is here today. I saw him in the audience, who kind of is our unofficial quarterback. And Betty Lou DeCrose, Assemblywoman DeCrose, also serves on that committee. And over the last couple of years, we have had the privilege of visiting a number of manufacturers around the state, both small and large alike, startups to big manufacturing facilities. And the leaders in this industry have made one thing perfectly clear, that there is a demand for highly skilled workers to help run those facilities that they are having trouble filling. And this program will be the start of providing our students here with the opportunities to learn those skill sets, to be able to take and enjoy those high-paying jobs. And that's something that's important not only for our students, but for the economy and for the region. And the County College of Morris needs to be applauded for its foresight in this area. But it does more than that for the students. It also gives the manufacturers in this region a place to come to see the students, to talk to the faculty, to let the faculty know what's happening in the industry so that the program can change as the industry changes. Because nothing stays the same. You know, these aren't manufacturing jobs of yesteryear. These aren't manufacturing facilities that you thought about years ago with smokestacks and brick and mortar buildings. These are highly technical, innovative facilities that are making some of the most advanced products that our country is utilizing today. And the labor force that they needs to be trained in highly technical areas, computer science and engineering. And the students that receive that training will be in a great position to be able to enter the job market in a high-paying job, that will help them in their career and in their life. And while I'm not usually a person that likes to spend taxpayers' dollars, I can tell you that the investment that the county and the state has made in this facility and in this program will pay dividends long into the future, not only for the college, not only for the county, not only for our regional economy, but for, most importantly, the students that will pass through its doors. So I'm honored to be here. I was honored to support the program, and I'm honored to be able to watch as this facility develops and this program grows. So thank you for being here this morning. Thank you for all you did to make this program possible. Good luck and God bless you.